Chapter 3. In a Restaurant in Dubai.
Good evening. Can I help you?
Yes, please. We want a table for 6.
This way, please. You can have this table, madam.
Thanks.
Here's the menu. Can I get you something to drink?
What's there to drink?
Bottled orange, bottled lemonade, fresh lime, fresh mango juice, canned apple juice, canned pineapple juice.
Fresh lime for me.
Me too.
What would you suggest, Lalita?
Fresh lime and soda is excellent here.
Okay then. 6 glasses of fresh lime and soda, please.
Yes, madam.
Nice little place this is.
Yes, very nice and clean.
The music's very soft too.
Here are your drinks. Can I take your food order, please?
Ramesh and Leela, have you decided what you're going to eat?
Chicken noodles and sweet and sour vegetables for me.
Same here.
They make excellent tandoori dishes here.
Some fried rice and tandoori chicken for me, please.
Naan and chicken Manchurian with gravy. For me, please.
Rajesh and I will also have naan and chicken Manchurian.
That's fine, madam. Can I repeat your order, please?
Please do.
Naan and chicken Manchurian for 3, 1 fried rice and tandoori chicken, and 2 plates of chicken noodles and sweet and sour vegetables. That's fine. Any soup, madam?
No, thank you.
That was an excellent meal. Thank you, Mom and Dad.
Yes, it really was a yummy meal.
Thank you.
Chapter 4. Plans to return to India. Chapter 5. Home again.
That was a comfort.